So what now?
Well, you do your regular introduction thing and then I'll say what we're doing here today.
Hi guys, here we are again, and this is our second try of making a video reaction about something that I haven't experienced yet in my life, ever.
So today what we're going to look at is my sweet wife is very familiar with typhoons, being from the Philippines, but she'd never experienced tornadoes. And so we're going to look at a video today that was, all this footage was caught on the CCTV from inside buildings that a tornado hit. And I haven't watched this whole video myself. I just saw the very first few seconds of it.
We're going to watch a video of a tornado that hit inside the building?
Well, it hit a building. Then the wind got inside. So
it's not like a road video of a tornado that's swirling?
No, this is actual footage caught from security cameras.
Okay.
So this should be pretty interesting. So we'll just see what her reaction is to this. I have personally been caught in 3 tornadoes in my life. So I figure I'm tornado proof because what are the odds of being in a 4th? But I've seen what they can do. So I'm curious to see her reaction to this footage.
So you're a tornado survivor?
Yes.
Okay. So you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
All right.
Okay, is the audio on? Yeah, it is. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go.
You gonna make it a full screen or?
There's no audio of this.
The power went out.
Oh my god, oh my god.
See all that stuff blowing? Yeah.
Yeah, it's so hard. The wind is so strong.
Yeah.
I mean, these people were really in a very scary situation, but they were they're running so fast it makes me laugh. I mean, sorry. This one is outside the building. You said
you see the hail hitting? You see hail hitting here?
So there is a hail whenever there's a tornado?
A lot of times hail precedes it.
Oh my god.
Look at those trees.
Oh my god.
Watch the
car. Yeah, the car. It's lifted up in the air.
Yeah, it's moving.
And those trees were...
That tree just blew down, didn't it?
Blew down.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Was it a person?
I don't think it was a person, but
oh my
there was
god.
a lot of debris.
Oh my god. It's like Voldemort's rage.
Yeah.
It's hitting them hard.
For sure. Wow. And then see how it just, all of a sudden it just stops.
Oh, so this was after... Oh, this is the tornado coming. And where are these people standing? You're supposed to be on the ground when there's a tornado.
You should get away from all that glass.
Yeah.
I think they were locking the door. That's the wrong thing. I would have opened it.
And they're facing the glass window. There's still a car running.
And now they're heading for cover, and because there goes the glass.
Oh my god.
And that's the reason you get away from glass.
Yeah. So this was 2016. So this is different kinds. It's like a collection of different tornadoes, right?
Yes.
Oh my god.
How destructive. Oh.
Yeah, it's so destructive. Oh my god, now it's so hard. Sorry. Should be strong.
So.
Oh my god! So the glasses were gone.
That's why
you could be killed with
you
flying
get an
glasses.
inside room where there's no glass. Because the glass it's a projectile.
it happened so quick and
Yeah.
was gone so quick.
Yeah, it happens very quickly. It seems like forever if you're caught in one, but it actually happens very quickly. Oh, look at that. There it comes. The wind.
You could feel it. You could feel it first before it finally hits,
I
right?
saw a lightning flash there. And then the parts of the roof.
Oh, the roofs are flying.
And then the whole roof.
Like,
And then the whole house.
And then it's black.
And yeah, because the tornado, that security camera was inside the tornado
Oh my
at
god.
that point.
You couldn't see anything now. Oh yeah, this is another video.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this flying debris.
Yes.
They're flying up so high. Oh, it looks like a box flying.
That was I think the back end of a truck, of a tractor trailer truck.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's what that was.
It could carry like a ton,
Oh yeah, lots of
tons of weight.
Look what it's doing to the roof of that building.
Oh my god. It will find its way to get in. It's very scary. So even if you are in a very big high building, you're still not.
Oh no, you're even
still
more
not safe.
vulnerable there. Yeah, you're very vulnerable.
But
there.
it would be safer if you're on the ground of the building than on the third or
safe
fourth
is
floor. Right?
underground. In the
Underground.
Midwest, they have basements. You go down to the basement. Here we don't. So you got to go to an inside room, and that is it. Go to an inside room where there is no glass, and maybe get down even in the bathtub and pull pillows over you or a mattress over you, and then you can ride it out. That's all you can do.
Okay, here's my question. Have you experienced a typhoon?
I have not experienced a typhoon.
In the Philippines, we had a lot. I mean, there's probably 100 typhoons that come in my country in a year. So we experience that a lot of times. But I would say tornado is more scary, stronger.
It's
And
just a more
deadliest.
concentrated, yes. A typhoon will cause more damage over a wide area.
A wide area.
But a tornado will be very devastating in its path. And just in its path, it'll be very, very devastating.
Wow. Well, for me, I would say I don't want to encounter a tornado here ever.
No, I don't want you to, and I hope we never do. But I just wanted you to see that, just so you can see what, when they give us a tornado warning here, this is what we're looking at.
Okay, so that was my reaction. I mean, I'm not really like a type of person that screams and like.
Oh, you scream if I scare you.
So guys, that was it. It's pretty scary. I mean, I would prefer, for me as a Filipina, I would prefer a typhoon. Not really. Those are all natural disasters. But for me, if I have an option, I would rather
Ride out a typhoon than to go through a tornado.
experience a typhoon than a tornado.
Okay. Well, there you go. There you have it.
So that was it, guys.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Was it. Y'all stay safe. Hopefully this corona thing's over soon and we can all get back to our lives, but we'll keep doing this because it's kind of fun.
Yeah. Thanks for dropping by our channel. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. And also don't forget the bell notification for our new uploads. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Honey. So that's it. What is the text?
Huh?
What is the text?
It's a text about McDonald's giving out a free meal to healthcare workers as a thank you.
But you don't like McDonald's.
No.